Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel to make more your skills in construction work. Today I'd like to continue from previous videos that talk about methods of statement for excavation in deeper detail to easily understand and identify. The method of excavation. Obtain the good for construction drawings from the architect of engineer. Engineer refers to the geotechnical or structural consultant. Review and study the drawings well in advance before the start of construction and obtain all clarifications from the architect of engineer. Demarcate the excavation setting out plan with reference coordinates and levels. Please note that the survey benchmarks are away from the excavation in order to prevent the damage to markers and to maintain accuracy. Cable or utilities. Scanning has to be done in order to avoid the cables and pipes and underground utilities damage. It is recommended to go for trial pits so that underground utilities can be found out. Protect and support underground utilities. Mobilize the machinery for excavation. Start the excavation from one end and proceed to another end in layers. Sukas 1 meter depth layers if the excavation depth exceeds 2.0 m depth. It is necessary to protect the sides of excavation by driving sheet piles or soldier piles or timber shoring with strutting. The vertical members to protect the excavation is to be driven first, followed by horizontal members. The other option is to provide slope not less than 1 minute and 1.5 seconds with intermediate and the slopes have to be protected by shortcreting or planting grass etc. after the completion of excavation. 0.5 m below the first strut level. Insta-first struters per the drawings. The procedure may be repeated till the bottom of excavation. If the excavation is deep, it is better to provide long arm excavators to act the required level. Stack the soil away from the excavation edge to prevent soil collapsing to the excavation area. In case of soil disposal, appoint banksman to guide the machinery movement. Appoint signal man if the excavation is done by a mini excavator followed by soil disposal by another excavator. Provision for drainage is to be made with sufficient pumps and collecting. If there is groundwater percolating to excavation, please inform the Conserfindoutable. Preventive measures. All the excavation area is to be barricaded with GI hand railing and sign arts, such as deep excavation is in progress. Stay away to be kept in all languages which can understand by workers easily. Sufficient floodlights have to be provided at regular intervals. Complete the excavation as per the levels mentioned in the method statement. In case of over-excavation, fill the extra depth with PCC. After the completion of excavation, inform the architect or engineer to visit or checking. The next step of construction can only be started after the approval of excavation by architect or engineer. Thanks for your watching and support. Please follow us to learn more about construction methods. See you in the next chapter videos.